Hey, hey, hey! My name is Tammy. I'm a human being, and in today's AccuQuilt translation block video, I am going to be making the darting birds block. I'll be using my AccuQuilt Go Me. I'll be using the shape number 1 and shape number 3 from my 6-inch Go Cube Mix and Match box set, and I'll be using these fabrics. Want to see how it all turns out? Stay tuned! I've cut out all of the pieces to the Darting Birds quilt block. I have 6 white half square triangles, and the half square triangles were cut using shape number 3. I have 4 green and 2 of the pink half square triangles, and I have 3 squares here. This is shape number 1. And it's a pretty basic block to put together. I think, again, the magic is in the arrangement of the half square triangles once they're sewn together to make a block. So my next step is to piece together all these half square triangles. I'll arrange them in the order in which they'll be sewn, and I'll show you what that looks like. Stay tuned. I've pieced together all of the half square triangles, and so I've arranged all of the units in the order in which the block will be sewn together. So this block is comprised of a 3 by 3 grid. And so the fact that I used my 6-inch Mix and Match Go Cube set, this will end up being a 9-inch block. So stay tuned and I'll show you the final Darting Bird quilt block. Ta-da! It's all finished. This is the 9-inch finished Darting Bird quilt block. I used my 6-inch Go Cube Mix and Match die set to cut out the shapes. It's a series of half square triangles sewn together and 3 squares. And pretty simple, pretty beginner friendly. As I'm looking at this block, I'm like, I don't really see this darting effect. But then I turned it essentially on point and I'm like, oh my stars, there it is. Here's the head of the bird. Here is the chest. Here are the shoulders, and then the wings here, and then those bottom legs. And it's a cute little darting bird. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.